Chapter 1 More about Computers. Introduction. In the earlier class you have learnt about the evolution of computers, that is, how various changes were made and computers were improved from one generation to another. Today the development of computers is at its peak and computers are used in large variety of areas of work. We saw the classification of computers as per their generation. However, now we will list the classification of computer as per their usage. Based on the usage, computers are classified into 5 groups. Types of computer. Computers can be generally classified by size and power and can be classified under the following categories: microcomputers, mini-computers, mainframes, supercomputers. Microcomputers. The least expensive device that we normally call a computer is microcomputer. A microcomputer is a computer system which is small in size. It includes hardware, operating system and application software. You can divide the large number of microcomputers into following categories. Home computers. A home computer is a microcomputer that is designed primarily for home use. Laptop computers. A laptop microcomputer is designed to use while traveling. The most important characteristics of these computers is compactness, that is their size and lightweight. Workstation. A powerful single-user computer. A workstation has a powerful microprocessor and in general a higher quality monitor. Personal computer. Personal computer or PC is a small single-user computer based on a less powerful microprocessor as compared to workstation. It can be defined as a small, relatively inexpensive computer designed for an individual user. Types of PCs are desktop, laptop, notebook, sub-notebook, palm top, PDA, etc. Mini-computers. A multi-user computer which is capable of supporting up to hundreds of users simultaneously. They are bigger in size than microcomputers. They have a higher processing speed and can be used by several users at a time. Mainframes. Mainframe computers are used in large organizations where a huge amount of data needs to be handled. These are big, powerful and expensive systems. These computers are useful in areas like banks, airlines and government sectors. Examples of mainframe computers are IBM Z series, PDP-10. The advantage of mainframe computers are a wide variety of memory size, the availability of large sophisticated operating system, the ability to handle large amount of computer applications such as railway reservations. Supercomputers. An extremely fast computer that can perform thousands of instructions per second. Supercomputers are very expensive and are employed for specialized applications that require immense amounts of mathematical calculations. For example, weather forecasting, scientific simulations, nuclear energy research, and analysis of geological data. Computer language. Human needs language to communicate to each other. Similarly, computers also need a language to communicate, take the orders, and perform operations. The language that is required by a computer is called programming language. These languages are used to instruct the computers. There are 2 kinds of computer languages: low-level and high-level language. Low-level language. Low-level language is a programming language that deals with computers' hardware components. They are designed to operate and handle the entire hardware. Programs and applications written in low-level language are directly executable on the computing hardware without any interpretation or translation. These languages are often known as computers' native language. High-level language. High-level languages are considered to be more closer to human beings. They are easily read and understood as compared to low-level languages. The first high-level programming languages were designed in the 1950s. Examples of high-level language are Ada, Algol, Basic, COBOL, C, C++, Fortran, Lisp, Pascal, and Prolog. Difference between high-level language and low-level language. High-level language, HLL, low-level language, LLL. High-level languages are easy to learn. These languages are difficult to learn. These languages are near to human languages. Low-level languages are far from human languages. Programs in high-level languages are easy to modify. Programs written in these languages are difficult to modify. Knowledge of hardware is not required to write programs. Deep knowledge of hardware is required to write programs. Such languages are normally used to write application programs. Such languages are normally used to write hardware programs. Computer capabilities. Speed. Computers are much faster as compared to human beings. Modern computer can execute millions of instructions in a minute that may take days if performed manually. Accuracy. Computer can perform all the calculations and comparisons accurately, provided the hardware does not malfunction. High storage capacity. Computers can store a large amount of information in very small space. Reliability. Computers are more reliable than human beings. They never feel tired, even if they have to work for very long hours. Versatility. A computer is a very versatile machine. This machine can be used to solve the problems related to various fields. At one instant, a computer may be solving a complex scientific problem. The very next moment it may be playing game of chess and then be busy in taking up a payroll problem. Limitations of computers. Lack of decision-making power. Computers cannot decide on their own. IQ 0. Computers have zero IQ. They need to be instructed on each and every step. Let's summarize. A microcomputer is a computer system which is small in size. It includes hardware, operating system, and application software. Mini-computers are bigger in size than microcomputers with a higher processing speed. The mainframe computers are capable of supporting thousands of users at a time. Supercomputers are used for specialized applications that require great amount of mathematical calculations. Low-level language is a programming language that deals with the computer hardware, and high-level languages are considered to be more closer to human beings. Computer capabilities: speed, accuracy, high storage capacity, reliability, and versatility.